Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to reduce lag on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to open Roblox app, and if you're really facing a lag issue on Roblox, you have to open the game that in which you are facing the lag, and then I'll give you the fix which definitely reduce the lag to a great extent. Let's open this game. Suppose if you are getting lag on this game, so how can you fix the lag? So first of all you have to tap on this Roblox icon over that laptop, and you can see this just tap on the Roblox icon over the top, and now you just need to tap on settings. And if you want to fix or reduce the lag, you have to scroll down, and in the graphic mode you have to choose as manual, and in the graphic quality you have to keep it down as much as possible, and also you have to keep this the reduce motion off. Now after doing these settings, your lag will be completely solved on your Roblox game. So just let me in the comment section if your problem is solved or not, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.